It's a beautiful sail through the Exumas to the Rocky Dundas Caves where we explore this underwater treasure. From there, we encounter 30-knot winds down the Exuma Sound before tucking in to wait out the storm. We are Paige and Daniel, traveling with our Great Dane Winston aboard our 38-foot catamaran. We sold everything and quit our jobs 1 year ago to pursue a life of exploration and adventure.
So we are in the Exumas Land and Sea Park, and it is gorgeous, and we've been here for a night, and this is definitely a place I would 100% come back to. We got to keep going. We got to slip our mooring lines off this ball. Head on out of here.
Ready?
Yeah. Nice. A little bit more. That's good. There you go.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
We all talked for about an hour and a half. Is lovely here. Oh, that's... All right, where do we want to anchor today? So, looking below us, it looks pretty sandy. All right, darling, we are ready to drop. All right. In the water. Bridle is taut. Rose, and she's taut. She seems like she's holding. You guys are gonna jump in the water?
Of course.
All right. We made it.
We did.
To Valkyr. Daniel and Lauren are gonna hop in the water and take a look at the anchor, and you guys are gonna go along for the ride.
Let's party.
Winston, come here.
Good anchor. It's like they do it in the movies.
We're gonna go to the Rocky Dundas Caves. Unfortunately, Winston cannot come today, so he's gonna stay home.
Yes.
However, I do want to point out that we put on all the solar shades. We have fans for him and ventilation,
Yep.
so
Everything is open.
He should be good.
Hopefully.
I always worry about him. He's not gonna be happy about it.
No.
But you know, we can't live our life taking him everywhere we go. We tried, but not quite everywhere.
Right.
We're building resiliency.
Very well
today.
taken care of.
Stop it. All right, was it worth it?
Oh my God, yeah. Oh yeah.
Totally worth it. What an amazing time. We were here for 24 hours in Falkey, and it has been awesome. We're currently on our way to Bell Island, where we plan to wait out a significant blow this evening. We're expecting about 35 knots. Of course, it's going to happen right in the middle of the night. So
Anchor watch party.
I think we're all going to set our alarms and be ready for it. Look for the Star Trek and the popcorn.
Definitely. Star Trek and popcorn. What else could you want in a place like this?
Yeah, we have those. They're passing to our 9 o'clock now. Yeah, it's super shallow over here. All right, we're turning now. And this is the anchorage that we're planning on dropping. We're straightening out now. Backing down. She raises out of the water, holding nice and tight. I don't think we're going anywhere. You gonna back down one more? Okay. All right, she's rising. There she is. She's out of the water. She's tight. Backing down. Looks good. She's not bouncing at all. Time to go dive the anchor. Woo!
But then we're also going to go swim out that away because we're all supposed to go swing that away, and we want to check, one, what the bottom is, and two, what the depth looks like.
Just driving through, the depth looked just fine.
did.
I think it's just a matter of any rocks or bommies and things that we might swing into and wrap around, which would be problematic.
This looks really beautiful.
Yeah.
The only thing that causes me concern is that we're here and everybody else is over there.
That's the record.
So
that
my
is,
brain goes,
on Navionics, that is the green anchor.
absolutely.
So
That's
there's
the place to be.
That's where the charts say to go. So at 4:30 in the morning, whenever we expect the most of the wind to be blowing through, our high tide at that time will be another foot higher. That extra foot shouldn't change that 7-to-1 scope.
Look at our little water babies. I know, aren't they having fun? We were expecting like 30 knots of wind last night, and it was nothing. But we had a red sky this morning, so it does make me, that whole red skies at morning, sailors be heat warning. I'm like, what's going to happen next? We're gonna get the engines on, pull up the hook, and head out to the Exuma Sound, where we are going to sail on down south to Lee Stocking Island. Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna go up. Yay! We're sailing!
Yeah, doing almost 7 knots with a reef in. Pretty good.
That's not.
Yeah, glad we put that reef in.
Now we're
Seeing those,
cooking it
we're seeing
around.
those speeds. 7.5 knots.
We're seeing about 20 plus knots of wind on this pleasant, beautiful day. We've gotten up to 24 knots since now. But you know, we put in a second reef and we're still cooking around 7.5 knots. So making great time.
But we're sticking close to the shore to really keep that chop down. So it's not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah, I think these islands are also offering a lot of wind protection. Yeah, so the winds keep picking up. We're touching almost 30 now. So I think we're just going to go ahead and drop the main and just run under head sail. See what that gets us here. Now we're there.
Okay, so we're right around here.
Well, we just yeah, and then add 3 or 4 knots to all of that, for our travel. Hopefully, we'll start seeing some improvement. We'll hold this. We'll hold what we got. See how she feels. Yeah. Change plan. I think we were just getting lied to because the wind was getting funneled between an island and a cut. So now, as you can see, we are now below 20 knots. We're gonna keep on keeping on with our second reef and full head sail.
I think he smells that bread. Oh, we can smell that. Yeah. Oh, that's so pretty. And it's gonna get so big and tasty.
So heat minus big. So the temperature around it, we'll see if it rises. Might not.
Let's see the bread. Oh.
Hello. What's going on, man?
Jen is so happy.
Not yet. Bread is not made yet.
Nice, let's change the plans. We are going to Farmer's Cut instead of Lee Stocking Island because, you know, we're trying to time the tide to go through the cut. And if we, you know, go at the wrong time, then it can be a little spicier than we really want and potentially dangerous. So yeah, that's why we're gonna shorten this day up a little bit. Yeah, time to drop our sails.
I guess I can turn into the wind, then we can center the mains, then drop the sail.
Yeah.
And maybe hit sail at the same time. So,
Okay.
I guess Summer will be taking that in, and we'll have to move the traveler over once we get into the wind. So,
Yeah, they're
team effort here.
Attention! On the handle! Quick!
Guys, we're kind of running out of time, so
Really?
yeah.
oh, fabulous. Lauren's securing the head sail. Jen is securing the jib sheet.
All done.
All right, we're just making our way through this Farmer's Cut. Well, at least we're slack tide. This is what we do in the rain. Do you want some bread that Auntie Jen made? Here's some bread. Oh, yum, yum, yum. Auntie Jen is so nice, she's making your dinner right now. Yep, that's how much she loves you. Maybe you'll go home with Auntie Jen?
Yeah, so we have made it safely to Little Farmer's Key, right over there.
We started this morning with red skies in morning, sailor tea morning. This evening, we now have red skies at night. And it is red skies at night, sailor's delight. So that is like this little promise from the weather gods that say that we should have nice weather and we should, I don't know, be able to sleep tonight and hopefully have a beautiful day on the water tomorrow.